This is a 1-year, 4,500 mile review of a Blaster X taillight. This particular model is for a Ninja 250, but this video will give you a good idea of what to expect no matter what kind of bike you ride. This is not an unboxing video. We don't do that sort of thing on this channel. From what my wife and I saw on YouTube, the majority of Blaster X videos were either filmed at night or inside a garage. Any taillight looks bright in those conditions. Our video is full sunlight. Alright, since a lot of you, if not most, are clicking on here to see a comparison to OEM, we're going to start with that. The original taillight on the right has an incandescent bulb, OEM, not LED. This video is at 40 foot, about 3 car lengths. And this is at 140 feet. Would a Blaster X be brighter than an aftermarket LED replacement bulb? In my experience, and we have 3 other bikes, yes. Most aftermarket LEDs are not this large. Of course, your average LED taillight does not come with turn signals, nor do they flash. The flashing is what really gets a driver's attention, and it flashes when the bike is started. Just listen to that little 250 roar, folks. The Blaster X can be programmed to flash when the brake is applied. You can set different time intervals for the flashing. My wife chose this one. We were both happy with this feature. Where it shines the most is at stoplights. When you see a vehicle 100 yards or so behind you as you sit at a light, tapping the brake gets their attention well before they get to you. I had a friend riding a Ninja 1000 who ended up on an old lady's hood as he sat at a stoplight. If you are a new rider, keep this in mind. Riders do get nailed from behind at stoplights. It isn't just people pulling out in front of you that you have to worry about. Installation was not bad. You certainly do not need to be a mechanic to do this. We bought the tail tidy from Dennis Kirk, but only because it was on clearance and ridiculously cheap at $25. Another tip if you are a new rider. You do not need to buy a tail tidy kit. We have several bikes and made our own for the rest. If you have a drill and a hacksaw, you're good, although a grinder does help. After just over a year, not a single lamp is burned out. It works the same as the day my wife installed it. One thing we both like about this taillight are the integrated turn signals. If you want to go full LED on your bike, this saves the hassle of replacing and/or installing new LED turn signals. If you buy this or any other type of LED light, even bulb only, you might have to install a relay. If your bike did not come with LEDs from the factory, you will have to install a relay. This is more complicated than installing the taillight itself. Our favorite thing about the Blaster X is the flashing. It does not flash the entire time you're riding. She did this for demonstration purposes. And if you are wondering, yes, the Blaster X are made in the USA. That's our review, and we hope it helps. For those of you watching who do ride a Ninja 250, this is a full exhaust, not slip-on. We did the snorkel delete and are running a K&N filter. The carbs now have a 105 main jet, 40 pilot jet, and 2 washers per needle. It pulls hard to redline.